Hey there, welcome back to the Briar Drive. It's Rick, and how do you know when to replace a Flint on a Zippo lighter? This one has a pipe insert, obviously. You can tell because you cannot turn the wheel there, and you might get a chance to see that the little Flint stuck right there. Right there. So to change it, take the insert out, and you have to remove this screw. If it is too tight, you can use a coin. A dime is good. You know, it's usually thinner than a penny. Just remove it. Be careful because there's a spring there. If you are not careful enough, it can pop out. So you take it out. It has a little tip there, metal tip there at the end. The rod there, if I turn the wheel the other side, might get loose, but no. There it is. Can you see it? That's the reminder of it. And Zippo Flints, they come in this nice little blister. Just let the gravity do its job there, and then rotate that red thing. Oh, do it this way, otherwise it'll drop to the floor. Take the new Flint. I have like 4 left there. Drop the new one into the little hole there, and put the spring and screw back in. Give it a little tight, not that much. Fill it up. Neighbors watching a football game. Not sure who's playing today. Just a few drops. I like the smell of the Zippo fuel. And there we go. It's a little bit tight. Yeah, well, just need to let the fuel go down, but yeah, now you can see that I can rotate and you see the sparks, so it's ready to go. So that's how you change the Flint on Zippo lighter. Enjoy. Cheers. Bye for now. Catch you on the next one.